on the stage. How are you feeling?
Yeah,
You're doing all right. A bit nervous as well. Unfortunately, Andy, you are up first. So it's all right. It's good because you can get all those nerves out of the way. It's going to be fantastic. Correct. So Andy, for this round, you guys can't confer. So it's just Andy playing. Make sense? Amazing. All right, let's bring it up that category. Let's see what it is. Let's see what he's going to do tonight. Oh, you music to dance to. Okay, here we go. It's going to be the albums of Madonna. Andy, you're a fan of Madonna?
I'll be honest, no.
No, you're not a fan of Madonna. Do you have any fans out there? This is not an excellent start, but it's all right. Do you know some Madonna?
No,
we don't know Madonna. Well, this is going to be fun. This is going to be good. You know what? You could guess anything, and it could potentially be a less is more answer.
It's better probably to be first then, because everyone else is going to go with more obscure ones. So.
Very true. Let's have a look specifically what we're looking for with Madonna. Okay. Madonna's studio album, soundtracks, and compilations as well. Compilations, 1983 to 2019. Very specific bit of niche Madonna knowledge, Andy, that I'm not sure. Do we have? Do we have this knowledge? You're glad to be here. We're glad you're here as well. Right, let's give it a go. So if you've got anything springs to mind, audience, we may need your help with Andy here. Andy is not a Madonna expert. Anything springs to mind. You've got the word Vogue in your head. I think that's potentially a good word to have. Is it a good word to have, Kira? Okay. Anything else? Straight to the point. Any other
songs that you go for?
Anything you'd like to contribute?
True
Blue. Let's have a little look. Okay. Oh, let's have a look. True Blue. Is it a less is more answer? It's going down. It's going down. That's a good start. It's going down quite far. Oh, Andy, not bad. 35. Well done. Well done. It's brilliant. Yes, yeah, brilliant. Moving on to our next team. Okay, it's Martin and Chris. Other set of newfound friends. We've got Chris sitting down. Martin, take your seats.
Thank you.
Pick which one you think you know the answer to. It'll all come clear when we move on to our category. Right, Andy and Tony, you're up first. And it's who made that car? This is still just Andy playing. Who made that car? What specifically is the situation? Right, so we've got different cars on the board here. Is there anyone there, Andy, that you know who made it?
Yeah, I know one of them.
You know one of them, that is a good start. That's more than last time.
The Honda Civic.
The Civic?
Yeah, that's easy one.
I mean, if it's less than 100, that's probably, you know, a good start. Is anything else springs to mind that you think is a bit more unique? Go with that one.
Or it could be a good start if you want to go with it.
Yeah.
Yeah, nothing else is jumping out. It's very frustrating. It's just the Civic, the Honda Civic.
The Civic, who is it made by, sorry?
Honda.
Honda. We're going to go Honda for the Civic. Let's have a little look. Is it a less is more answer? But it's definitely correct. It's definitely correct. It's correct. It's been an excellent start. Nice one, Andy. Very good. Oh, it's low. It's very low. It's very low. 32. Not bad at all. Start at all. Right.
Team for this round.
Yes, working as a team. So Andy and Tony, you're going to go up first. There's very exciting stuff. It's going to be different.
We're doing well with
this time. Oh, the periodic table. Symbols and elements.
Did we listen in science? Did we listen in science?
Did we? That's a tricky one. Have we got talent for chemistry, Tony and Andy?
I mean, I think the chemistry's going okay so far for us. As this, it could be very, very different.
Right, okay. Oh, it's going to be an interesting round.
So we're looking for the symbol and what element that is. Eloise, what would you go for if we were playing this one?
Having a study. So there's a couple I do know, because I remember that periodic table from school. That got drilled into
photographic memory.
Well, not quite. It was just every day. Every day we said that. Every day. I did chemistry A-level, which was a big mistake. But we do now know our periodic table. What about you, Kira?
I once again would go with the easy one. Just to be safe, just to make sure I didn't hit 100. But Andy and Tony, what are we going to go for?
Okay, we've conferred.
Oh, you've conferred. Right, Tony, what are you thinking?
We're going to have a try at the top one.
The top one, F-E?
F-E, which we think is iron.
Iron for F-E. Let's have a little look. Have a look. Oh, well, it's definitely correct. It's definitely correct. A good start. Oh, 71. No. Okay, here it goes. Oh, painters and paintings. Right, let's have a little look. They're going to flash on the board. Oh, there's one.
So have a look at the paintings and try and think of who the painter is.
Okay. Kira, you into your paintings? Do you know a bit of these? No.
I've been to the Tate, you know, I went to the Louvre when I went to Paris. I've been to some galleries, but I wouldn't say it's my favourite thing.
Oh, very good.
Okay,
Should we have a little look? Any ideas?
Can you ask us one on sport?
On sports, Ireland, potentially, computer might give that as a category later, but
this is a tough round,
this is a
isn't
tough
it?
one. I actually know one of these because it happens to be very close to where I live, which is very exciting. I'm not going to say
Oh,
which
where
one
do you live,
though.
Louise?
I'm not going to say that on the microphone either.
Okay, so you need the painter and the painting. You need
No,
both.
I think it's just the painting. The painter, sorry, just the painter.
The painter.
Audience, do we have any ideas?
Are you struggling? Have you got one?
I'd rather have one on football.
Oh, there's no football on the board.
The only one we might know, I think, is B.
B, okay. What painter is that one? Painter.
The painter.
Yes, you want to know the painter.
I think the painter's John Constable.
John Constable.
We shall
put it in.
see. We're going for B. Oh, let's have a look.
Oh, this is exciting. It is a correct answer. See, that is the painting that is right near where I'm from. So I know that one. 60. Very nice, very nice. Well done, guys. And I think, oh, we're doing an, there we go. And that does mean, Michael and Chris, you are through to the final. So well done.
Thank you.
Well done. You guys as well. Thank you.
You're going to be seeing a bit more of me in a while. In fact, I can get involved in the game. But for now, it's time to sit back, wish the contestants luck, and welcome on stage your wonderful host. Enjoy the show. Thank you. Good afternoon, everybody. Give them a cheer, okay? So, first of all, Sue and Sam. Sue and Sam, where are you from? Torquay. Oh, Torquay. Hey, we got a few yays there. Lovely. What do you do in Torquay? Sue, what do you do? Oh, nice. What do you do there?
It's that one. It skipped the music, but you can imagine that was correct. So our first one is advertising slogans. Get your hands. First question is, which fast food is finger licking good? Ready? We've got 10 seconds. Is it A, B, C, or D? Lock in your answers for us.